Welcome to Chronicles, your gateway to the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Are you ready for the next big thing in meme coins? In today's video, we dive into PEPE Coin, one of the hottest topics in the crypto space. Will it double in 2025? Stick around as we analyze its potential and uncover some exciting trends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto insights. PEPE Coin is a meme cryptocurrency inspired by the popular internet meme Pepe the Frog. It entered the crypto market as part of the growing trend of meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. What makes Pepe unique is its strong community driven approach aiming to bring humor and engagement to the crypto world. With its rise in popularity, many investors are asking, can PEPE Coin really moon in 2025? Let's take a closer look at where PEPE Coin stands today. As of now, PEPE's crypto market is $6.66 billion with a trading volume of $1.8 billion. The coin price is $0.40158 and its rank 26. This number highlight its growing adoption but can sustain this momentum. Here are some key factors that could help PEPE Coin double in 2025. Community strength. Like Dogecoin, PEPE has loyal community that promotes it heavily on social media platforms. Viral marketing could fuel demand. Exchange listings. If PEPE gets listed on more major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, it could see significant price surge due to increased accessibility. Burn mechanisms. Implementing token burns to reduce supply could create scarcity and drive up value. Bull market potential. If the crypto market enters another bull cycle in 2025, meme coins like PEPE could ride the wave to next highs. However, investing in PEPE coin isn't without risks. Here are few. Volatility. Meme coins are notorious for their price swings, and PEPE is no exception. Market sentiment. A drop in hype or interest can severely impact its value. Regulatory concern. With increasing government scrutiny on cryptocurrencies, coin could face challenges. Now, the big question, will PEPE Coin double in 2025? Based on current trends and expert analysis, here is a possible range. In a bullish scenario, PEPE could reach $0.404, fueled by community growth and market recovery. In a neutral scenario, it might hover around its current price range, facing both support and resistance. In bearish scenario, external factors like regulations could push it lower. So, what do you think about PEPE Coin? Will it double in 2025 or is it just another passing trend? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the Chronicles, and check out our other videos for more insights. See you next time.